So we're going to calculate a definite integral using the fundamental theorem. And for this one, you might want to use a U-Substitution, but it's certainly not necessary. But I might let U equal x plus 1, and then du is simply dx. So I can make my substitutions, and this actually just becomes du over u to the fifth. Now what I like to do is I like to change my limits so that I don't have to substitute back later. So remember, these are x values here, and I know that if x is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, that u would be 1, and if x is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, and so this is my new problem, and I'm just going to solve it from here on out. So I'm looking at the integral from 1 to 2 of u to the negative fifth du. So let's find our antiderivative. So we have u to the negative fourth over negative 4 from 1 to 2. And if you want, we can rewrite this back as a positive exponent. So this will be a negative 1 over 4u to the fourth from 1 to 2. Now we're going to insert our limits. So first we insert the top limit. So negative 1 over 4 times 2 to the fourth minus negative 1 over 4 times 1 to the fourth. So here we get 2 to the fourth, which is 16, multiplied by another 4 is 64, so we get negative 1 over 64. And then this is going to be 1/4. Now minus a negative, it becomes plus 1/4. Now let's simplify this fraction a little bit. We have negative 1 over 64. Got to give these a common denominator of 64, so multiply this guy by 16 over 16. And we get 16 over 64. So our simplified answer, and we want the exact answer, is 15 over 64.